Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use AutoDS for Amazon. So, if you want to sell on Amazon and use AutoDS for order fulfillment, price and stock monitoring, and other automation features to help you streamline the process of selling on Amazon, here's how you can use AutoDS to do that. First, make sure you have an Amazon Seller Central account. On top of that, you'll need an AutoDS account. I'll explain how you can get an extended free trial of AutoDS in a moment, but first, create your Amazon Seller Central account. To do that, just go to sellercentral.amazon.com. Once there, you'll see the option to sign up. Click Sign Up and you can log in using your existing Amazon account. Once your Amazon Seller account is created, head over to AutoDS. To get started, I'll leave a link to AutoDS down in the description below. Next, when asked, I want to sell on, select Amazon and click Continue. You'll then see the various packages. If you pay annually, you can save 25%, but if you prefer monthly payments, you can choose that option. There are 3 main packages, plus advanced ones for those already successful in selling on Amazon. The numbers in the plan names, for example, Import 200, Starter 500, Advanced 10,000, represent the number of products you can import and manage through AutoDS. For instance, the product importer allows 200 products in one plan, 500 in another, and 10,000 products in the Advanced plan. To get started, simply click 30-day free trial. Usually, the trial is 14 days for $1. After that, enter your payment details, either PayPal, Payoneer, or credit card, click Continue, and your AutoDS account will be created. Once done, you'll see the message, Welcome to AutoDS. Next, let's add your first store. Click Add Store, and you'll see that Amazon stores can only be added via the Amazon App Marketplace. When you click Add Store, it will take you to sign in to your Amazon Seller Central account that you created earlier. If your account is under review, it might not authorize you yet, but if it's ready, you can sign in automatically and return to AutoDS. Once your store is connected, you'll see a dashboard similar to this one. While I'm using Shopify for this demo, the steps for Amazon are pretty much the same. I'll show you how to use AutoDS to import products in bulk from suppliers like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping to your Amazon store. You can even use AI to optimize product titles and descriptions automatically, and AutoDS will also monitor prices and stock for you. First, in the AutoDS Marketplace, you can browse hand-picked and trending products as well as use the Add Spy tool. To add a product to your Amazon store, simply click on the product. You'll see details like ads that you can use on Facebook and TikTok, but for now, just click Import Draft. The product will then be saved to your drafts, where you can further edit and optimize it using AI. Once you're happy with the product title and description, click Import to add it to your Amazon store. It's important to prioritize fast shipping when selling on Amazon. To do this, go to the Marketplace and filter for fast shipping options. For example, you'll see products with 1 or 2 business days for delivery. Select a product, click Import Draft, and all the product images and details will be automatically imported to your Amazon store. Then go back to your draft, click Import. After importing, you'll see the product details, such as variations, selling price, profit margins, and the sourcing location. AutoDS also lets you automatically fulfill orders using auto order credits. Each credit costs as little as 20 cents and allows you to fulfill 1 order. Although AutoDS offers print-on-demand features, most Amazon sellers won't use this, so I won't cover it. However, on your dashboard, you can easily track your profit, orders, revenue, and new products added, helping you keep an overview of your performance. That's how you can use AutoDS for Amazon. If you want to try it yourself, you can sign up through the link in the description below.